Students, I'm Dr. Komal Rathod, Assistant Professor, Commander, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Rajasthan. Today's topic is glomerulonephritis. So, first of all, what is glomerulonephritis? Glomerulonephritis is a kidney condition that involves damage and inflammation of glomeruli. Types of glomerulonephritis. The first is acute glomerulonephritis, begins suddenly, and chronic glomerulonephritis develop gradually over several years. Etiology or caused by causes of glomerulonephritis included streptococcal infection of the throat or skin, hereditary disease, immunological disease such as lupus, diabetes, high blood pressure, vasculitis, viruses like HIV, hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus, and endocarditis. Now, pathology is glomerulonephritis are triggered by immune-mediated injury. The cellular immune response contributes to the infiltration of glomeruli by circulating mononuclear inflammatory cells, lymphocytes, and macrophages, and crescent formations in the absence of antibody deposition. Pathology is the humoral immune response lead to immune deposits formation and complement activations of glomeruli. Antibodies can be deposited within the glomerulus when circulating antibody react with the intrinsic and or with extrinsic antigens that have been trapped within the glomerulus. Injury usually occurs as a consequence of activation and releases of variety of inflammatory mediators. Hemodynamic and toxic stress can also be induced glomerular injury. A few glomerular disease are due to hereditary defect resulting in deformity of glomerular basement membrane. Here is normal glomeruli and diagram of glomerular inflammation. Now, sign and symptoms. Kidney pain normally happens in the flank region, which is just below the bottom of the rib cage. Sign and symptom is cola colored or diluted iced tea color urine from red blood cells in your urine, hematuria. Foamy urine due to excess protein, foamy urine. Sign and symptom again, high blood pressure, hypertension, food retention, edema with swelling evident in your face, hand, feet, and abdomen, fatigue from anemia and kidney failure, less frequent urination than usual. Precautions start slowly and build up gradually. Aims to exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Advice for patient, carry a small spray bottle filled with lemon water and mouthwash to spray their mouth when they are feeling dry in order to keep food balance. Do not give an exercise to patient with consider of these conditions. So change their dialysis schedule, change their medicine schedule, overeaten physical condition has changed, fever, have joint and bone problem, weather is hot and humid, and do not give exercise in the indoor air conditioned environment. Next precaution is discontinue routine earlier if experience any of the following. Shortness of breath, fatigue, rapid or irregular heartbeat, chest pain, nausea, leg cramps, and dizziness. So doctor treatment depend on the causes of the disorder and types and severity of symptoms. High blood pressure may be hard to control. Controlling high blood pressure is usually the most important part of the treatment. Dialysis and transplantation. Medications diuretic is reduced fluid retention. Medications to suppress the immune system. Lifestyle changes restrict salt and water intake, restricts intake of potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Cut down on protein in the diet. Maintain a healthy weight through diet and exercise. Take calcium supplements. Now, physiotherapy treatment, patient education, induration exercise, walking tests, walking, swimming, bicycling, aerobic dance, circulatory exercise. Now, exercise program during dialysis. Benefit of exercise for glomerulonephritis. Increase energy. Increase exercise regular over a period of time will develop greater resistance to fatigue and energy will increase. Help to dealing with stress. Exercise relieves tensions and which enable to release and feel less tense. Improve ability to sleep. As tensions in body diminish and begins to relax, patient will go to sleep much quicker and sleep more soundly. Improve overall daily functioning. As fitness improve, the capacity of performance daily tasks at school, home, or on job will increase. Improve appearance. Burn extra calories, muscles become firmer, it becomes easier to control weight, thus improving overall appearance. Improve overall health. As oxygen is transported more efficiently around the body, circulation improve, the heart becomes strong, blood pressure is lowered, and the body is better equipped to fight off diseases. Benefits of exercise for glomerulonephritis. Regular exercise can break this unhealthy cycle as well as provide their additional benefits. Improve strength and mobility, release depression, boost blood circulation, a key of good heart health, maintain bone and muscle strength, lower your weight and cholesterol, and boost your self-esteem. Now, physiotherapy, lymphatic massage to reduce demand, breathing exercise, breathing control, pulse lift breathing, and diaphragm breathing. So it's all about short information about glomerulonephritis. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thank you.